Welcome to Home of Taste Veg Recipes. Let us make payasa from jackfruit preserve called Berati. The preparation of Berati or the jackfruit preserve is shown in the previous video and the link is given in the description box. To the jackfruit ball, add a glass of water and soak well. After some time, it softens. As soon as it gets softened, mash it. Add water if it is required. Make sure there are no lumps in the Berati paste. You can grind the Berati in the mixer jar. It forms a fine paste. Here you won't get any lumps. After mixing it thoroughly, add jaggery for taste. You can add water according to the consistency of the Berati. Add pinch of salt and mix well. After you start boiling the Berati, you must keep stirring. Make sure it doesn't stick into the kadai. You can add cardamom powder as well as cashews. After the jaggery dissolves into the Berati, add the first coconut milk and mix well. If the payasa is thick, you can add the second coconut milk or water. You can also add jaggery if it is required. The speciality of this payasa is adding finely chopped copras fried in ghee and mix them well. Boil them neatly and serve hot. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for your notifications.